Hey, it's Matt with DiabloSport here, and we're here with Chris Mimikos and his SRT-4. Okay, so we've definitely seen this car before. We've seen it at the track, seen it at Horsepower Wars. So give us a little rundown of what you did on the dyno at Horsepower Wars.
Yeah, so back a couple years ago, it was still rocking a stock head with a baby cam and a stock transmission for the most part with a couple bill of goodies. It did 507 wheel horsepower. Torque was not really there because of improper reading, but yeah, 507 wheel horsepower. It ran 10.34 at 140. Leah Pritchett, or I should say Pruitt now, didn't really know much about the SRT-4 and maybe had contributed to why I won overall wildest ride that day and scored a T2 EX Trinity, which is fantastic. But yeah, it was fantastic. I'm looking forward to the DiabloSport Horsepower Wars in March.
Awesome.
So yeah, pretty neat.
You're doing a little better than that now. We've seen it go down the track today.
Just a little bit, man. I backed it up. I mean, 4 10.0s with a personal best of a 10.01 at 143. 142.99, sorry, I rounded it up. And yeah, 1.6, 160 foot. I mean, I'm so close. What, 100th of a second?
Right. Oh yeah.
Not even. I mean, it's crazy from nines, which is crazy. Yeah. So right now I'm the 24th fastest SRT-4 on planet Earth, which is kind of cool. But on a log manifold, 30 psi, and a 58 mil that's actually going to be about to be rebuilt. I mean, there's some plans coming with this thing.
Well, awesome.
It's fantastic.
We'll definitely see this at Horsepower Wars this year. We'll be doing that here at Orlando Speed World, March 27th. So stay tuned for that, and we'll look to see more from this SRT-4.
Still has AC, power steering, radio, and I'm about to go get the kids.
All right, sounds good.